الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين أما بعد. My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, I welcome all of you with Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. It is narrated by Abu Huraira radiyallahu ta'ala anhu that the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "He who believes in Allah and the last day, let him not harm his neighbor. He who believes in Allah and the last day, let him show hospitality to his guest. And he who believes in Allah and the last day should either speak good or remain silent." Narrated by Al-Bukhari and Muslim. Muttafaqun alayhi. This hadith unfolds the fruits of faith. One who does not have the qualities mentioned in it is deprived of the blessings of the faith. Faith of such a person is like a fruitless tree or flower without fragrance or a body without soul. Jazakallahu khair, barakallahu feekum.